We have so few laws on the books to protect these horses. In our perspective, the very least that we need to do is make sure that those laws are enforced.
In what could be a milestone moment for the protection of farm animals in Canada, a Winnipeg court has given animal welfare advocates the go-ahead to privately prosecute a live horse exporter from Manitoba. The case in question involves an air shipment of live horses in December of 2022 from Winnipeg to Japan, which was forced to reroute due to poor weather, resulting in the horses on board going without food, water, or rest for well over the legal limit of 28 hours, leading to several organizations filing a complaint with the Canadian Food Inspection Agency. But Caitlin Mitchell of Animal Justice says their concerns fell on deaf ears.
Unfortunately, they refused, and once that became clear to us, we decided to take this somewhat extraordinary step of commencing a private prosecution on our own.
On Tuesday, a Manitoba provincial court judge allowed charges to be laid against Carolyn Farms, a live horse exporter located in Swan River, Manitoba, under a section of Canada's Health of Animals regulations, which require a contingency plan to respond to unforeseen delays that could result in the suffering of an animal.
This is a big win, not only for Manitoba's horses, but for animals across Canada.
Brittany Semenuk, an animal welfare specialist, estimates about 4,000 horses are exported from Calgary, Edmonton, and Winnipeg annually, with the majority of them heading to Japan, where raw horse meat is considered a delicacy. But she questions whether this niche product justifies the mistreatment of the animals.
Why are we putting them through all of this just so that one person can have an extremely rare and high-priced order of sashimi halfway across the world?
It's really heartbreaking, and it never gets easier to witness this.
A sentiment shared by Dana Tong with the Manitoba Animal Save, who has documented numerous shipments from the Winnipeg airport.
Just unnecessary to put the horses through this, and we should all be really concerned about what's going on, because a lot of people don't know, and there's a reason that they don't want people to know.
A private member's bill currently sits before Parliament that could prohibit the practice. Mitchell will be in Ottawa on Thursday to testify and is hopeful that this could prevent further horses from suffering a similar fate.
Promise was made more than 2 years ago now to ban this practice, and about 4,000 horses have been shipped since that time. So again, while the practice is continuing, at least let's enforce the laws that we have. But certainly our hope is that in the coming months we'll see an end to the practice once and for all.
In Winnipeg, Kurt Black, City News.